Hi everyone, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. For today's project, we are going to turn this pizza box into a beautiful tray. So let's begin our project by painting this box. What I did is I mixed a bit of water with this ivory paint. So let's paint the inside of the box first. As you can see, I just brush it everywhere just to cover the whole box. You have to make sure to cover the whole box with paint so that it doesn't show it's a box. Instead, it looks like a wood after you paint it. So, and also you have to put layers of paint. First layer, let it dry for like half an hour, and then paint outside after you paint inside, right? Let it dry for like half an hour, and then let it dry, come back, paint it outside, let it dry for another half an hour, and then after it dry, you have to paint again the inside of the box. Put a heavy paint on it to make the box a bit stronger or make it sturdy. As you can see now, that is all been painted properly. It really covered the whole box of heavy paint. So after I've done this, I have to dry it for like another half an hour, and then I have to come back and have to do it outside. As you can see, it's becoming nice now. The look is getting look like wood. And this part, what I'm painting is the cover or the top part of the box. I cut it off, and I intended to put this on top of this box to make it stronger. And now I've done all the painting. I'm trying to glue the what do you call it? The cover of the pizza. I'm trying to stick it on so that it makes it stronger, or it makes it sturdy. And then you can put a little bit of weight instead of just the single box, and just throw away the top part. So to make the tray stronger, I try to paint and put it on top. As you can see, I'm trying to glue it on. And now I found these beads, and that's the reason why I'm trying to glue it on the edges so that it doesn't look so ugly. I mean, you can put whatever you like as to cover the edges, but since I found these beads, so I might as well use it. I just glue it the whole side of the box or the tray. As you can see, I'm trying to put more glue on every side so that it doesn't come off. Again, the reason why I'm trying to do this, I mean, I know you can just go and buy a tray and you don't even, have to do this. But my point is, again, to recycle your rubbish. And let's try to help save our planet. That's the whole point of doing this DIYs. Just giving you some ideas on how to repurpose or recycle your rubbish or your trash. We are not just trying to save our planet. We can also save tons of money by recycling our stuff, our trash. And now it's done. And now I decided to put this braided twine as a handle. I didn't show you on how to do the twine, how to braid the twine, because I'm sure everyone knows how to do this braiding of twine. So I'm just showing you on how to put it on. I mean, everyone can do that and think of that as well, but I'm doing this for the whole process of making this tray. Just make sure to put a good amount of glue so that it doesn't come off or it doesn't give up on you once you put some heavy stuff on it. But please don't try to put a very, very heavy stuff on it, because this is not designed for heavy things, because as you can see, it's just made of cardboard boxes. So what you can put, maybe some biscuits, some bread, or some, you know, small plates with some cakes on it when you want to use it to serve. But I normally use this to put all my stuff, my display items, on my center table or on the side table. Or normally I use tray for my decorations. And the reason why I'm doing that, using trays everywhere, is to make or to look cleaner. In my opinion, you know, it's like when you put your display on a tray and that is scattered everywhere, I think it looks neater. I don't know. It's just my opinion anyway. So I'm just putting it on both sides. I don't know. I mean, I like using the twine, you know, as you can see with all my project, because I found it really cute. You can use other stuff as well to use as a handle. I just use twine. And now it's done. It's finished. It's that simple. And this is how I use it. Just put my flower base, candle, and my cup of tea, and there. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.